Hello everybody, and thanks for stopping by. My name is Pascal Hakele and I'm a professor at SFU's School for Resource and Environmental Management, where I teach REM 100 Global Change. As you're probably aware, the Earth is currently going through some of the most dramatic environmental changes it has for thousands of years. We have deforestation, air and water pollution, ocean acidification, depletion of resources in general, and we're going through a phase of mass extinction. And of course, on top of that, we have climate change with all of its dramatic consequences. Now, in one form or another, all of these changes can be attributed to us humans. The global population continues to grow, and each of us is using more and more resources, which puts tremendous pressure on the natural systems that we actually need to support our lives. Now, these are dire times, but it's important to realize that we can actually do something against this. But in order to make meaningful choices about the future, we need to have a good understanding of how we ended up where we are today. So the goal of REM 100 is to answer the question, why are we interacting with the environment the way we are from a social science perspective? So we're going to look at the forces behind global population growth and our ever-increasing environmental footprint. We're also going to look at how ideologies, personal beliefs, and societal structures like the rules of the economy, for example, or our strong belief in technology have shaped how we interact with the environment. More importantly, however, I'm going to highlight to you that those forces are not rules of nature that we've been given, but rather choices that our societies have made along the way. Now, we'll also look at some attractive alternatives of our current ways that have the potential to lead to completely different outcomes. Now, in addition to traditional lectures, REM 100 also includes weekly tutorials or group discussions where you interact with other students and explore some of the topics in much more detail. Now, one of the really exciting aspects of REM 100 is that our topics are very current and they have direct connections to the news you hear on the radio or on TV every day. This means that you will be able to apply the knowledge and skills that you learn in REM 100 from the very first day. And at the end of the course, you should feel empowered to actively contribute to a more sustainable and just future for everybody. REM 100 is a required course for all REM programs, but it's also attractive for students of other programs because it counts towards your social science breadth requirement. Now, I hope this gave you a good overview of what REM 100 is all about, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you in my classroom soon.